Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about transforming the sexual energies, the kundalini, and the energy of the snake. And we're going to be working with this in a free webinar this Sunday, so you can come to that free webinar if you wish. And if you can't make it, there'll be the recording. I'll put the recording of that in the description below, and I'll also leave a link to many free video tutorials. And I will be teaching holographic breathing. This is the means that we're going to connect to those energies. And we will be working with a very particular circuit, the blue energies circuit. And the organs of that circuit are the kidneys, the adrenals, the bladder, the urethra, and the vagina and penis. There's obviously a lot of sexual potency at the base of that circuit. And when we work with different energy points and holographic breathing, that sexual potency starts to rise and transform as it moves through the body. And it rises up, healing through the organs. It heals through the throat and neck, through the face, through the brain. Connects into the beyond. Connects to the earth. Transforms through us. The genitalia, the pelvis, those sexual energies aren't just for sex and procreation. You can use those to transform at a truly deep level. And any level of transformation you're working with, that will be part of it. Don't be scared of the kundalini. The kundalini is happening whatever you're working with. If you're ascending or evolving or transforming or meditating, whatever level you're at, those energies are transforming and moving through you to one level as another as part of the experience. So that is what we'll be working with. And I was working with this for the free webinars, and I'd kind of worked with this figure of 8, kind of orbital breathing through the body that was activating this circuit and the energy points of this circuit. And it was interesting because it evoked the energies of the snake. And I could feel these snakes rising as the sexual potency released, transformed into the energy of the snake and this rising, or snakes rising through the body. And I get this a lot in my dreams, things that used to scare me. They don't anymore, because I think this meditation, I used to, in a dream, the snakes would come to me and I think, oh my God. But when you're dreaming, you think you're awake. You think it's a real snake. It's going to bite you and kill you. So there's this fear of death. But as these snakes were rising up through me in the meditation, really feel they wanted to bite, or the opportunity was there for it to bite. So I don't let it. And they were come up, the two of them come up. And they're about the level of the neck, tongue went in, teeth. And it wasn't just in and out, just went in, its back arched, venom. It just stayed there, stuck in. And as it went in, there's this release, orgasmic release of the sexual potency in the pelvis, and it rises through the snake and it rises through the body, and it goes into the area, the teeth, and the venom it's coming into. I could feel it healing my neck, and it released that sexual potency so that it went through the neck, through the head, and really up into the higher self. This is a gate, if you're channeling, this is a gate to the new age, really. As the energy travels through here and through the brain, you start to transform on a new level. You can no longer be the identity, the person you were before. You become a messenger for God, a messenger for the earth. You become what your body being is meant to be. We become enamored with this ego or identity, which isn't really us. And as the energies transform through the brain, you have to let go of that identification. So that is the gate into the new era, the new world. And to open that gate, one of the ways is tongue. Let these snakes bite the neck, the throat, around here, and it releases, it opens this gate and releases off. Everything opens. Deeply, and you can feel the energies going through the snake. An interesting thing happens. That venom goes in. Part of the snake is then in you. Part of the snake's DNA is in you, and you become the snake, not so much viewing the snake anymore. You become the snake. And it rises up through you more strongly and larger and around you. You start going on this journey as the snake. And you receive the wisdom of the snake and the transformation of the snake, and that imagery and that experience of it releasing through the neck, through the brain. And for me, often I get like this cobra, this head. It comes in as two, it becomes one, you get the head. Above here, it's a crown chakra opens. And it's interesting because the kundalini is not just rising through the body, it's also rising through the snake, and you kind of get this hood here. At least I do. And that is what I will be teaching on Sunday, and that is what is in the video link below this video. Whether other people are going to experience that, I don't know. But we will see. So if you want to come to that webinar, it's there. If you want to watch the video, it's below. There's also a link to many other video tutorials there. Please like this video. Please comment. And learn holographic breathing. Come to my webinars. There's advanced webinars where we take it much deeper. There's a family there growing. One day, one day, holographic breathing will be a major breathwork modality. Holographic breathing is not an exercise. It's not a technique. It's a new mode of breathing for a new time. And if you want to evolve, if you want to transform, if you want to learn meditation and move into the new era, you can use holographic breathing as a mode of transformation to move into that. And there's the whole spiritual realms that come through in holographic breathing. When I'm talking about it, they come. The energies come. The earth energies come. These channels come in. It's a spiritual, earthbound, healing modality. And at this time, a lot of it is free. So that is there's an offering, and if you want to take it more deeply, you want to also give something back for my time and work, and you want to be more involved and have it at deeper level, there are the advanced webinars that we do every Sunday. Come along, learn to channel, learn to evolve and transform. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you around.